Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing CRM for your real estate business. If you're realtors and you're a real estate agents or you have your real estate business, so I'm going to show you an amazing CRM and you can use it for your business. You can do everything that you need in a real estate business. I have developed some system for my clients as well. I can show you step by step. So let me dive in video without wasting time and I will show you step by step. And here you can see I have just designed this whole system with booking and with all things. Like I just go to the booking page and here you can see we have calendars, we have leads, we can manage each and everything here. So I'm using just one CRM instead of using multiple tools for managing your real estate business. And also here you can see I have designed another landing page. That's amazing landing page. I have designed with some of animations I can show you, and I can show you back end as well how we can manage our leads and how we can manage our customer and how we can deal with our leads. So for this whole system, I'm going to use GoHighLevel, and I'm going to explain why GoHighLevel is best for your all types of business. So because here you can manage your all things, like you can manage your social medias, you can manage your leads, you can manage your emails automations, you can manage your SMS automations, and even you can use your WhatsApp as well for this. And for example, you're a real estate business owner, you would simply go and you can create your own opportunity and pipeline stages according to your business. For example, you're getting new leads, you're getting short leads, you have sent some respond. You can manage each and everything here. I just show you some of things here, like we have in different pipeline and stages. For example, new lead scheme we can manage here, and if leads engaged, you have sent SMS and emails, you engaged, you can just it will be automatically goes here. And also the main thing is that these are all customizable. You can do simply just in a 1-2 click you can customize it. And after that, the main thing is that the funnels I just show you, you can design these amazing website using GoHighLevel, and it's a just 1 and 2 step, 1 and 2 clicks base funnels. You can just have, they have a lot of amazing templates. You can use these amazing templates. Either you will get this whole system for from me free of cost if you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link. And I just paste my affiliate link in description box below, and you can just buy this GoHighLevel with my link. And also here is another offer, is that they are offering 14-day free trial, but if you can go with my link, you will get 30-day free trial, and I will set up these all things free of cost for you. And same here for the automations. For example, I just show you some of automations for different clients, for different from different leads. For example, same leads came into your page, what's happening on a backend, I will show you step by step. So for example, your leads came into your CRM and landing page, they submit their information. So what happened on a backend? So simply when form submitted, we will add a tag, or we will update in a pipeline stage, and we will say new pipeline stage, and we will send it on a notification to you as admin, and wait 5 minutes. And after that, we can send them SMS, hey, thanks for interesting our whatever the value is. And then we wait, we will send a new opt-in form that will be included some booking link, or that will be included like your other checkouts page. And after that, we can do automatically call them, and after that we will wait 1 day. If they not respond for the call, then we will go to the next step. We will wait, and we will send again SMS, and we will do again call. The same procedure will be goes again and again until they not reply, or until they not book appointment with us as a real estate agents. So same here, we can do with the consultations booking. For example, they book consultation with us, and they are ready to go. We will add to the pipeline of consultations, and then we will add into other emails and SMS, and we will send them reminders until they not join our appointment. And we are sending them SMS and emails. And these are a few things we can handle each and everything. Even we can send proposal with our automations, and we can nurture them until they not reply, until they not respond us to as a lead, and as a customer we will approaching them. These are just basic automations. Here we have DBR automations, like you have already leads, you can just simply go and upload into DBR system, and you will start reactivating them. We have chatbot as well. Here we have missed call text back. For example, someone missed call on your number, it will be automatically, we will send text back. And also you can manage your contacts here, your payments here. Here is some AI voice agents, you can manage your sites. And also you have reputation management system. You will get 5-star rating on your Google Map business with the reputation management system, and AI do all the things for you. And same here, we have social media management. Like, I just go to the marketing, and in the marketing, you can manage your all social media. You can link with your Facebook, your Instagram, your other social media, and it will be automatically start posting on the social media. It's a super easy, just one by one you need to do setting. In short, you can manage all business thing related to your real estate business. You are a realtors, you are trainers of business for real estate, and you are a real estate investor, seller, or buyer. That would be perfect solutions for each real estate business. So yeah, simply go to buy Go High Level with my affiliate link. You will get all these landing page, and these landing page and full setup. And also here we have, if you want to book consultation with me free of cost, just simply go to leadsflex.com and book. Here you can free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how your real estate business will be grow with this software. Thank you so much for watching this video.